Hello friends, my name is Pawan and in this video I'll show you how to create a Gmail account in a step-by-step process. So you can simply visit to gmail.com and then click on create an account. I'll show you everything in a step-by-step process, okay? So just type your name and you can put anything here that you want to appear as your Gmail, and then you can put okay, let me type another name here. Maybe this should work. Okay, and you can put a password that you can remember, and then click on next. Okay, so password must be of 8 characters, sorry. And then next. Let me save it. And then you need to put your phone number, but it is optional. So but I would suggest you to put the phone number, because if you forgot your password or something, then that this phone number can help you to recover your account easily. So let me put a number here. And if you have any old recovery, if you have any email, or if your friends and family have any email, then you can put it at here, because that can also help you to recover your Gmail account if you get lost, or if you forgot your password, and if you also lost your phone number, then this email can help you to recover your password. Now you can select your birthday, whatever it is, put the right one so that you can remember, because once you sometime try to log in, then they may ask you your birthday and you need to remember that. Now you can select your gender, whatever it is, and then after filling this much, just click on next. Okay, and then scroll down below, and you can read these terms and condition if you'd like. It's your choice, you can deselect these things, and I would suggest you to click on I agree, because without agreeing you cannot make any account. And then let's wait for some time. So now you have made your Gmail account. Now in order to log in, let me firstly log out. Let me copy my email ID first and sign out from here. Now in order to log in, just type gmail.com, and then you can simply click on here. You'll see such kind of screen. If not, then you can click on sign in bottom, and then you can put your email address here and click on next, and then put the password that you have wrote previously, and then click on next. And yeah, you can update here, and you can just click on confirm. And now you are inside your Gmail account. Now this inbox means all the messages that you inbox means all the message that that is being sent to your Gmail or your this email address. It will appear at here if you click at here. and this primary means all the messages that you received in this email is called primary. And in social, you will get notifications related to your social media, Facebook, other Instagram, this that kind of thing, and other extra thing also you will receive such notification at here. So for example, if you have made a Facebook account using this Gmail ID, then those things will appear at here. And this promotions means advertisement will appear here. Just you can see here, ad. So this type of ad will be shown to you inside here. Okay, so for example, if you received some email, and then if you see here and you clicked on here, and then if you click on add star, okay, if you clicked on add star, then what happens here, golden star will appear, and it will be also available on these things. So what can you do is, well, sometimes we may receive a lot of email, and some email may be important for us, and at that time if you did this, then you will find the same email at here start, only the starred email will be appeared here. Okay, so and one last thing, sometime what happen, you may receive some important email, but it may be in this folder. Okay, and you don't see, if you don't see in the inbox, then be sure to check those things on either spam folder, or you can also check in trash. But trash means if you have all the email that are deleted will be available in the trash, so better check on all spam, or also you can check on all email. Okay, so I hope this video was somehow helpful for you, and please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do like this video, and if you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.